YouTube viewers, here we have this Emerson. Don't remember what this model. I think 1985. Could be wrong. Or I think it was another one was like a custom classic. I don't even know. You know, the guys from Adam also. No labels on it, but it sounds kind of rough. It sounds like the switch housing is rubbing against the flywheel. Let's go ahead and go on low. So high, medium, low. Also looks like one of the blades, or maybe two of the blades, are a bit out of alignment. Still looks nice on both. Very nice, classical speed. Let's go ahead and go to medium. Well, even the medium looks nice. A little bit of a wobble coming in now. Kind of hear the switch housing. So go ahead and go high. As you can clearly tell, she is wobbly. Needs some work. She moves good air. The switch housing needs to be better mounted on there, it looks like. Let's go ahead and do spin down. Bearings are good at least. Just need some bouncing and some of that switch housing TLC. This fan is also sold to a local, Matthew Orat. I'm just getting everything out of the way that has a double claw mount since I have my double claw up. After this I'll be starting the J-hook fans. I think there's like two. I have to look through it and just verify. Very good spin down actually. Holy crap. Stop anytime soon. We gotta keep going up, maybe. There you go. Thanks for watching.